Everybody happy, yo, yo, yeah. Afrobeat tonight, yeah. We come together when everybody feel the vibe. Everybody feel the vibe, yeah. Afrobeat tonight, yeah. We come together when everybody feel the vibe. Everybody feel the vibe. Like, when you hear the gong, go. The beat where they play from Africa, yo. Everybody jump. Whoa, yeah. So when you hear the gong, make you know they from, yeah. See me far away, know so we far gone. La me habo, and you wait me today, mamo. This song is for my people, like everybody knows that. See we they on fire, we know they tired. When you hear the beat, you for move your feet, so yeah. Afrobeat tonight, yeah. We come together when everybody feel the vibe. Everybody feel the vibe, yeah. Afrobeat tonight, yeah. We come together when everybody feel the vibe. Everybody feel the vibe. When this music hits you hard, you go feel no little pain. No. Them say this kind rhythm bad, Africa know the play. Charlie make you know they sleep, yeah. We so forget it is, yeah. I get fans to feed, yeah. So I no go cheat. In a mugu wakanga, my higher gym now, yeah. This song is for my people. I like everybody knows that. See we they on fire, we know they tired. When you hear the beat, you for move your feet, oh. Yeah, Afrobeat tonight. Yeah, we come together when everybody feel the vibe. Everybody feel the vibe. Yeah, Afrobeat tonight. Yeah, we come together when everybody feel the vibe. Everybody feel the vibe.
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed
another
day.
JMJ classic.
We are the masters on the road. No matter how them run, we are the fastest on the road. Babylon can't stop the rusters on the road. How we set the trend, make them fall up on the road. We are the masters on the road. No matter how them run, we are the fastest on the road. Babylon can't stop the rusters on the road. How we set the trend, make them fall up on the road.
Have a blessed day.
African street, sweaters and dance to my African beat. Afrobeat, give me heat. Afrobeat, give me real mother African heat. This kind of beat, it be sweet. We be too hot, this be real international mix. You love it, make it tweet, make the fans them retweet. Tell the DJ, make it put on repeat. Dedication to my feminine, mama ferry me. Anytime you see me, holla samini.
Make you call on me
anytime I see you. Yeah.
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
The guy that kill your body for no. I know they like the way he treat you. The way he be fine, you know. Killing your body for the boy. Shorty you too fine for this. So don't hear me, I call on me. The way you be fine, you know. Killing your body for the boy. Shorty you too good for this. So don't hear me, I call on me.
Break it down for me.
Yeah.
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Wrong one again. Big girl, I'm searching again. Even though I fuck with your ways, even though your body they crazy, no be for me. Maybe I'm unlucky again. The car, my cup, my love. Pour another one for my nigga. I'ma just call my dealer, my dealer. The car, my cup, my love. Pour another one for my nigga. I'ma just call my dealer, my dealer.
Alright then, my dealer come quickly, cause my case is pretty. Hello, my dealer come quickly, cause my case is pretty. Hello, and anytime I find someone to love, she go do me why oh. And after me give her my everything, she go break me my heart oh.
Loving you, girl, you get the pum pum shade. You can know how I want the pum pum shade. Oh, I need you like I need you. Oh no no. She bringing out dirt on my clean bed. Do you see the irony? Shit is so funny. Lady on my right, she feeling all nice, so she gon' die. She thinking when you come online, she misses my eyes. Cause when I hug her knees, I look straight in her eyes. So show her body down and come my lover. Make her dirty you well with my lover. Oh, I say show her body down and come my lover.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
My dream because I know one chase it for me. Oh la la la, the man go my love. But I did show my love. If you want to let Jack come alone, to find anybody na money I want. But they hear what the people they love. Want to get a shakeleti love. It's a love and I want to get another one. I go take and do it in I love. Waiting you love. I be waiting I love. Waiting I love. I go do what we do. Extraordinary things, show me love, I go show you more. Go sheshe, ọmọ yìí don teja ṣe gele mu fọ́ fàyè, yeah. Ọlọ́ládé máa ń gbọ́ mọ́ lọ, ọ̀rọ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan ìdí ṣọ́mọ́ lọ. Ẹ̀fí wọ́n sílẹ̀ jẹ́ kọ́ máa lọ, no dey find anybody like money I want it. But they hear wetin people dey love, wọ́n ti gbé àṣà kẹ́lẹ́ tí lọ. Sí love and I wanna get another one, I go take and do wetin I love, wetin you love. Wetin I love, wetin I love, I go do what we do.
Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Priscalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kosti.
Life is a wild carnival. Mama many many be why I can't wash. Ekitamina wini be to me pass it. I cherish every moment, me my spirit dey free. Life is a wild carnival. Mama many be why I can't wash. And pim time, pim dummy. It up do a mess sorry. Nabusu ya didi ya me ho atom. Any mere won pabu anu ke and come. And pim time, pim dummy. It up do a mess sorry. Nabusu ya didi ya me ho atom. Any mere won pabu anu ke and come. Nyanya me penisa me na mama nice sisi. Man kwa ebusu ya better come. I do this for my family and myself. Dream me say be kum come. Nyanya me penisa me na mama nice sisi. Man kwa ebusu ya better come. I do this for my family and myself. Dream me say be kum come. I'm a soldier, one man soldier. Instruction suroja. I'm a soldier, one man soldier. Instruction suroja. And pim time, pim dummy. It up do a mess sorry. Nabusu ya didi ya me ho atom. Any mere won pabu anu ke and come. And pim time, pim dummy. It up do a mess sorry. Nabusu ya didi ya me ho atom. Any mere won pabu anu ke and come. I'm a soldier, one man soldier. Instruction suroja. I'm a soldier, one man soldier. Instruction suroja. Me I see me paper. Because that's why I see me did. Kwa nansi, se madam pa de kame home see me. Me I see me paper. Because that's why I see me did. Kwa nansi, madam pa de komi decent. Babra me na me kakra me di France. Me minima when I'm a dancer glass. Life is a wild carnival.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
I cherish every moment, me my spirit dey free. Life is a wild carnival. Mama many be why I can't wash. And pim time, pim It up do a mess sorry. Nabusu ya didi ya me ho atom. Any mere won pabu anu ke and come. And pim time, pim.
Hello there, this is your favorite girl Abi Anna and you're listening to Kwabena Kosti. What? Right, so 42 minutes after 10, and more call about 93.3 of and Chandra make a joke, we say one shiny ya. One day, ever that's on Yanko Faba. See ya Friday. And say a Monday by Jumay. Friday Azaba. One day, ever that's when I just Yanko Pampas and go grab baby Brennan. That's why now, Wabba fire near court. I'm on Maka no Maka. Right, so 15th December 2023. I just say, I chat Bosumini Manamewa. It's like 16 days. If you fancy a chima, Nessa. I know probably I want to say. It is a baby aboko. Somewhere. What's it? Why is slow? Anyways, we want to call about 93.3 FM. Your friend me Jenny me champion Kobina Boatin. That's now see a Juma freestyle session or any of the bro and no pay. Wherever you are, wait my journey show live on Facebook and him kind 93.3 FM. And also wait me so send me first. So 0533 898 915 0533 898 915. Now, although message never enough, marking kinds of them come upon every Friday. Yeah, call weekend answer. That's it. The next prep, the next to go to prep, really, I just a witchy. You free man, sir. Oh, my days, my witch, I'll be out of casa for the as well. What do you say? I Friday. No sana with ye, or there's it. It's a way, Juma. Anna, be our own and no, when you have, we should feel best of a coach mansa. We cannot fall for ball. Don't worry, we are here. Myself, DJ Shabo, and Kobe K. What do you see? It's not the same. I just say, Monia Giannis. When now, Obronica is a work and happiness. We are Jumano. Now, yes, we are Monia Giannis. This is the main reason why I can't a Kabusumibia. And she said, "With your office, one down street, and so what to provision store, no, what to taxi, motor trot from who chef face say, and I won't pull what you man know them. And again, but 2 hours, homes is here. And my main shall say, I'm a usual recall, no. It's an incoming Mr. Urban. Good morning. And I'll face one come Sanford. Steve, and I'll pay good morning and come out. Mr. Chumesi, that in Pachomichi, and I'll pay Africa Neo Fashion. I send you for you naming back up a Salum de Gambia. Berman Quine, Mr. William Beck. One Eku, and I'll pay Bibia was any home. Nash. Oh, I chim a sending with Dumase and Pabuafi. Oh, they will go near the squad in a room. Now, Monko property, or that's it. Have a good morning, one command, and I will come for DC Natural Look Beauty Salon. I'm going to more Bompire Junction, Comforts, Kates, and I'll say the little Nanama. Good morning, and come on, Yanko SDA Junction, exclusive beauty salon with SDA Junction. Bra Michael, your carpenter, with SDA Junction. And I'll feel Mahana, all the girls singing a more SDA Junction. I'm up on there, a sound so tone go back. And we differ her, not just a preparation. Mama Vida would do this. Parties golden seasons. I said that beauty salon. Level 360 pop, which is a mantra. Top wa, the courier house for I'm a clubhouse near Oopsie. In fact, I'm more party to level 360 pop. Mr. Christmas, you there? The German is a DJ Fish machines in the chin. I'm a microphone. I just say Christmas. Yeah, say Kruma. What I say? But Danny Bruno. Yaji over the sound of a DJ Lion and of a Charities Fashion. Kwame Taylor on the Master Sari. Good morning. Have a good morning, so when come out. Dependable Beauties Alone. Good morning. Bibi Awoko. Yidi Yesel Wedding. Emmanuel Mauga. Michiao. Have a good morning, come on, Honorable Atifa. Yami Adama Tuesday. And Quantenum Electoral Area. Motua Banana Mube to Afania. The Honorable Atifa. Good morning, come on. Afamichia, my taxi drivers. Brad David, Apasco, Rauf, MP3, and Komastaga, Obama, Ricardo, Tanko, and Komaba Tampa, Jonathan Medishie, Ambrose, Richmond, Tilapia, Banchin. Yes, this is Banchin in Amakra. Anameboa, Ato Banchin. That's what Amakra. Now, oh, dear. Yes, if I show our class, I just say, also, I just said 2025. Just see, I think. Into Jerry, Ole Richmond, and now for Kwekubo Nash. Pierrot with a bra kwami okasi and of HH among na and share the daily dose of motivation is very well. Your crash yourself. Now ya obey, bro. Now today, Bibi Aboko there. Good morning.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Even if I
worry. What be your story? You don't give him. I say God go do one. Listen, when you dey worry. What be your story? Hey, you don't get him. Hey, I say God go do one. Listen, you don't feel that vibe. I don't feel that vibe. That vibe. That go, you don't feel that vibe. I don't feel that. Go, you don't feel that vibe. I don't feel that. Go, you don't feel that vibe. I don't feel that. Go, you don't feel that vibe. I don't feel that. Go, you don't feel that vibe. I don't feel that. Go, you don't feel that vibe. I don't feel that. Go, you don't feel that vibe. I don't feel that. You don't feel that vibe. I don't feel that. Go, you don't feel that vibe. I don't feel that. Go, you don't feel that vibe. I don't feel that. Go, you don't feel that vibe. I don't feel that. Go, you don't feel that vibe. I don't feel that.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Right, so I hope you're feeling the weekend vibe already. That's right, so 93.3 of us, this is what we always do. We make sure we entertain you to the max. As always, we make sure we give you the weekend vibe on the radio. This is what we call Party on the Radio every Friday. And of course, this is the freestyle session on the radio each and every Friday, 55 after 10. Good morning, radio listeners. I hope you all tune in and ready for your daily dose of motivations to kickstart your day. Now, I want you to remember each day is a fresh opportunity to chase your dreams. Also, a fresh day to overcome challenges and make a positive impact. I want you to embrace the power within you, believe in yourself, and let your light shine bright to the world to see. You've got this, so keep spreading positivity and making a difference. And I want you to enjoy your day and keep rocking those, these airwaves, but we got you sorted. Alright, so our daily dose of motivations this morning is probably brought to us by Color Studios and the Good to Embroidery as usual. And as always, Colors want us to motivate you. He wants us to, give you some sort of vim energy. So, Charlie, when I'm with me, boy, Jumani, say, everybody that shout 1 2 1 2 back hey. So, there's this friend of mine, there's this brofo he always wants to use. In fact, he likes using that brofo. When he didn't come up, he was bro, don't fold. I said, yo, don't fold. Yo, don't fold. Yeah, Charlie, you never go fold, you never go fail as well. We realized he said, this guy, it has become his mantra. Every time, don't fold, don't fold, don't fold. So it was just this morning. Sorry, no one sending me a message. I read the message and I gave him a reply. And I asked him, Charlie, this your don't fold thing. Is it some I can't try you to do or something? And he said, I want to read to you. I want to read what he wrote to me, to you guys. So he said, Charlie, don't fold is a powerful mantra that encourages us to stay strong and resilient in the face of challenges. It means not giving up or surrendering when things get tough. they keep pushing forward even when it's difficult, even when it feels difficult. Remember, you have the strength and determination to overcome any obstacles that comes your way. Stay strong and keep striving for your goals. So that is what on Don't Fold in a track. And as now, I want to share what you just sent to me to my listeners. So this morning, I'm also telling you guys not to fold. Yeah, don't fold. I said it's a powerful mantra, and the underline word is powerful. I just say, essay and crying, they can't say and say. We should always stay strong and resilient in the face of challenges. 2024, I'm in a few days, and I have this dream say, I will farm a lot of people. Yeah, it says 2023 has been a tough year. Why was it 2023 and a tough year? 2023 has been a tough year, very tough year, difficult year. But you're surviving. I can't just about 16 days. I feel I could be here. The motivation is not here, you know. I can feel this now. Yeah, the 2023 I could be here. You pass a New Year resolution, what dream, baby? Yes, 1st January, no trouble about my home. If I do now, share challenges, even at the idea, I want to me, I mean, next year, more film, Charlie. Yeah, more film. What I say? Yet, I see there. You won't come. What's in common? You didn't say. Yet, I see there. You won't come. No part of film. I went to me. I know my shaka. Forget it's a uni. I go point to me the seconds to the shredder. There was a 1 day per. Now, boom, mouth. So don't fold. Yeah. Stay strong and resilient in the face of challenges. Do not surrender to things you think they are tough for you to overcome. Nah, not at all. So remember, you have the strength and determinations to overcome any obstacles that comes your way. So this morning, our daily dose of motivations, it's short as ABCD. Don't fold. Don't fold. Akpe, it doesn't say what you. Akpe kakaka. Right, so the party mood activated. About to have our party on the radio. And the Christmas thing is still on. So this Christmas, it's all about level 360 pop. Level 360 pop. Christmas, we never sell honey and that's the minimum. You don't know level 360 pop. Oh, sir, party you.
Level 360.
Party you are.
Well, you knew one, no more be.
You best say all December. Selfish and official DJ. And I'm an official MC.
Okay.
It's yes, so
I official.
I have an official drinker.
Oh, okay.
Drinker.
Nonsense. Official visitor. Alright, folks, you try on right. You come back party. It's still on here on 93.3 of your buzz is here.
I swear. Nyamianum Ukraine said bread Dania. I was also Danny B. Briefland Hotel. Wow, what a hotel. Messi, Mitri Miami do. Who I feel wahin. Best Nyanko Briefland weekend CB. As I say, Ayabia Okope as what you fear. Be ho management and see a tight. One more Nippon dog and into Ukraine, Japan. Best Nyanko Briefland Hotel. The Woody birthday party. Oh, worry. And a year now they are Wobafi. Program B bia Bora Brifaland Hotel Adentia or car park kesia or baby green grass and quadia gro kama nanipunu eya kona kono be international standard ujali ni na kone safa filtemu punu su ujali unse yes ujali ni pensio akona nkasa Brifaland Hotel or wadan ya udro bebre asa ujo ni bra onya busan benya baby ada na so no kanjiman's go no problem e bonus ye cool enya nunku so pensa no ma awdo bia ya tuntumbo Brifaland Hotel enyum chechia so abri bia eninti achemu dan manso ene ne mpatamfo ni na cross form she ho Brifaland Hotel bamamo nani masem de bia wo kwasia de bia eye pool party esanso ye mutual special brabe didi na se jolly Brifaland Hotel e wa chimanso wudu anya kire achemu dan kwa no so na Presby school na chipe fresh 0551 187-926 and now say 0507-640-302. Brifaland Hotel, Fresisia, Neabama.
I love you.
Ebrenaso Ghana Premier League 2023-2024 season. This is a soccer season. I'm Pioneer, your best radio station in the East. Ainkai 93.3 FM at the solid sports presentation and the live commentary every all the league centers. Bro, Shannon Self Frames Oil, Energy on the Go, and then Ainkai 93.3 FM. Edwin Tuma Boma, a few way Ghana Premier League, you know, baby, be a commentary button from no. Yegina ho, a Frames Oil, and Ainkai 93.3 FM, and the commentary. Bro, Anuti, so we are driving now perpetual papa, diesel papa, fuel, I would be good. Nedu bakwa jojo, nedu abajojo. Menkwasa engine dia. Frames Oil. Yang any affordable product. Say diesel and petrol. Ya boni da form chiwo biya dia. Anuti. Baby biya we shankania wonam. Frames Oil filling station per bufa. Na ko boom. Frames Oil. Energy on the go. Afewe. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Matema phobia. Accra House of Folk. Never stay down till the bones are rotting. Great Olympics. Olimashe, Olinkwasong Konsong, Dreams FC, Mediama Football Club, and Avufra Aka. Me say, watch out for your sports host, Joshua, Kwabena Ejanim, Enna, Kofi Ejiri, yeah, the live commentary, and Bremo, live on Ahenkai, 93.3 FM, Frames Oil, Energy on the go.
Stand up for the
Amanfoe afedia ya tuadi sane eya woso awo gas se wo ko gas filling station na wakwa filling sesi ade ya te wo breso eye max gas filling station ya de motokia enenemu ba bia wo bia se wo frɛ na ye beba be fa gas no na ya kwa filling na ya san ede wade abrew emfa ho ene ba bia wo hye we hia ne se wo be frɛ ye na ye ne wo edin sa wo so max gas filling station ye fill gas no ama na ye ma na ya san so e de wade abrew e wo waboboa no otra razanda ketwa bia mass energy gas filling station ye ne edikan no enti bomodin se obefre max energy gas e wa homa so 0558422163 anase 0554391610 max energy gas ya basa ye baba bo bibiara.
Hey! When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and young offense back.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediatric Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system Nabribia, Ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a month for the one, Nedi Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Yina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a home car. No, Yamwa suing Yano, a boy a home buying every home. And ɛna wɔn mpo a wɔn wɔ nyarewa ne dada na wɔn nom Dr. Enuro no ɛnom imbu saba mesha no a ɛmo mo ahoɔden pintin ya wɔn nti mpo sɛ yare ɛhyɛ wɔn ho imbu saba mesha ɛwɔ kanhyi ɛne ɔman mu babia yɛtɔn Enuro ɛtufoɔ mfrɛ 0246 208496 imbu saba mesha police ni no ɛduro no ɛnkratoa yi FDA asayase
Campon Travel and Tour. Yasa keye hobiem. AFCON 2023. Yedi Ghana for no bi opeso tournament ni bi wo Ivory Coast so ko wonem se bana kwantoni mu nhyehyɛ. Enkankan tournament te se we ya. Yechi no obia ni ho. Entie 30th January ko 11 February. Aye 2 packages. Yedi kan aye one in a room package. Ana wonkwa she room. Eno ye 23,000 Ghana cedis. Ana ye wo 2 in a room one. Eno ye 15,000 Ghana cedis. Ebiaba with breakfast. Ye be sand one for nice places in Ivory Coast. Luxury bus road trip and a match tickets. What the best matches no be? Register this year office Abria. Was it 24th December 2023? Over to me at 0209 194 507 and 0247 431 at Intimubia. Hey, Efia, you watch papa.
Bra, Nancy, yadia me yade. And you don't for being a chair me, kumi about here. Anka Sabre, a dibone.
I don't know I can want to be Anna.
Bia.
Kumi about tea, dear. A bois Emma and Kwamo Nipedium Jan Nasu ye. Nesenya, Modin, Equity, and Rahudua, a Winipedium. A tea bag, and a pebia, we back with the two so shemwa. Military bears do ecosidum and terminal. Now one nom. And you so sa, bro, the day we are Wokoda. And if I do pee, and I know Kumi about tea, be. I would want dance here. Or how would be a Winipedium? Kumi about tea, a bay if you are amount. Shannon so say, or bar pin for, or be on Makoda for, and now Koda in Frisia, a duty, a dray won't me and numbi. Ubenya, Kumi about tea, a beato, I will be our tone row. Kumi Herbati, Yesumo Herbal Center, and Sanwa Juma. Dr. Paul Kumi Minta, the Dasuyano. Ubetimi Afreno, it was 0248 716402 0248 716402 and 0503 785656 0503 785656.
Kumi Herbati ana eye immune system support. FDA aje edwedi nkratwe atum. Yes.
Hi, your friend foreman. Mejuma Sweni, inti obia pemasem. Sa wudi wajuma shamisa. Mesha se usika enko waste. Inti me tomenyo menyi na free jam trading enterprise. Mr. Mensa, ana chairman Mensa nchen. Inti sa wupe cement, gasem, diamond, ana se simaf. Ningina ubenye bi ato Mr. Mensa, ana chairman Mensa nchen. Open nadwa all inches, iron rods, 16mm to quarter rods, POP, plaster balls, kenoff, papa Nibi, fiber, set tinting anatetia, opeshri barrels, center panels, corner moldings, wall angles, plywood, bind wire, ana empo, opa butchery paints, home champ, big and as a small size. Ningina, ubenye biatowo, Champ Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensa, anasa chairman Mensa Cheng, or Wakameni Junction, on Ejaji and Edin Shenim, friend 0208 123 872, and 0244 566 880. Champ Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensana, what's a bra? Nani buono edit da form.
Driver, Jina. Na for me call on board here and some won't have our clinic. No me for many coach a master cook at Yentia, Obian and Yadia for 1 1 funny Yadia and some Befib. Na Onya Yarisa. What penny Vesina me for uncle. Now so quite do I Yalisa. Oh, yeah, dear. What must I Yadia be a helpia? Oka on Bessa, Yadia BT stroke, hypertension, fibroids, infertility, diabetes, hepatitis, hypertension, sexually transmitted disease, prostate cancer, infertility, and asempu. Ujalia na wuti unhosa, uti unhongria, obo wa kuhu, Mr. Yadia can want to them. Yadia be a helpia. Would you copy more or body and say, we have a clinica. One betting it, say, Yafuni Yadia, and I would tip high, would to mengo, Bema, and our band to mengo, or bow on a Bema da, who to mean Sunny War. Bema with the boss who are no Jemu, Yadia Bene Hawo, when I say Natatai, and I say Wahuno, Moja Broswo, and I win Moja, when you say if it say I'm Krudo Yadia, Yadia be a helpia, or body and say, we have a clinic, say 100 cities, 120, 150, equals 200 Ghana cities, or Bema who drop Aquanum, I'm a wet man, your pom diama.
amapa na sɛ wokɔ info da wokɔ hu doctor yɛyɛ screening ehunu ba bia yadeɛ ne hyɛ ne nyinaa yɛ free metwi ka wo krom ha obia formation a ne ho adanse nko a na odie doctor no wɔyɛ adeɛ wabene kwana kwagye ayalehwɛ ɔba adeɛ nsa wɔ mu herbal clinic ɛwɔ achim ɔdan ada a ɛbɛn masalachi so mills wɔnom pɛ number no ɛyɛ 0532333372.
Hey, na den e ko so amani agi say.
What's in so when I think it try no. Vicky pass papa. Even mathematics, onya A1, science A1, social studies A1, English language A1. Wa pass yankasa.
Hey, na school ben no. Eni omo yade o.
Only believe senior high. Woman man kanya crowd. Teachers for no. Woman penny papa.
Hey, me buy ko tro ne de enye crowd. Hey, mass nye.
Faniko only believe.
English yenye.
Faniko only believe.
Science so enye crowd.
Oh, me say Faniko only believe senior high. Omo ya courses ni nyina. E penny for sister banchinya. E jana kire. Abofra wo de wo sister ni tia pon na wo hu hwe a. Faniko only believe. Afi omo mo tro so hwe ni nyina pa. Menua, am afra ne ya dachi o. Hey, BC so hwe wo mo tro ye. Say wa pass yo. Say won pass yo. Faniko only believe. Na se sia me ne we ka say no. Wo ma bia admission a wo mo che mmofra no. Form 1, form 2. Konya da ho no mo se sia me ka say.
Hey, enti awofo ani age o mo ye de say.
Ye kan kire. Ye se body ani one ye din kanfo. Only believe papa. Abofra ne ko ho na ne so hwe ne de. Ko bia school be ma chekire for me for so mmofra na pass ne de. Wo mo be ye. Wo school fees so de ye ne border form boko. Obetima tua ne installment. Kakra ko yisa abofra ne be wie school. E school ya bia ne platform ma watch admission. School fees ne crowd ye e ma ne nya dadwen. Wo dia ne se wo de wani be kire mu e wo only believe senior high. E di for wani kire mu wo achim ko krantu. Anasa fresh 0240 202 148. Anasa 0247 670 736. And 0500 041 317. Only believe senior high school. Yeah,
MP's Christmas Football Festival in Afiebiano. I said the Hobiemo 25th December 2023. The copy 1st January 2024. Ewo Achim Shedro Astroturf no so 16 teams and Ajipini SA. Obesi Akan Ewo Afie MP's Christmas Football Festival imu 16 teams nina. Obi abenya appearance fee of 1,000 Ghana cedis. Football and a set of jersey. This year team Bena Oji Cup nesin naso. Winner ebenya 2,000 Ghana cedis. Any trophy. Second team ebenya 1,005 Ghana cedis. Any trophy. Na fei team ebeto so miensan so enya 1,000 Ghana cedis any trophy. 25th December copy 1st January 2024 ye nyina ye hyiam agye ani ewo Achim Swedro Astroturf ne so team se eba ne bi ne aduasa akoti apoli adiamra babia ne ha awisa etuntumrem coupon any teams in kaya ewo Achim Swedro nyina enkaiboy efi office of the member of parliament Achim Swedro constituency honorable Kennedy Oseinyako Ejumera media partners Bosomi FM Achimansa FM Ofi FM Ahinkan FM, Community FM, MP's Christmas Football Festival. Nijenkwa. Honorable Kennedy Oseinyako, Ejumera, Tuaso.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Hello there. This is your favorite girl, Ami Anna, and you're listening to Kwabena Kosti Wati.
More music on trendybeats.com.
Make this love never fail. Make we day, make it day. And I hope say you feel the same. All these things where you got, me I'm ready to marry. When I pull up, he said you are, and I want you to be my wife. Oh, I don't let, come and show me that you love me. Yeah. Me I know you carry your love to play. Me I know you carry your love to play. I don't let, come and show me that you love me. Yeah. Me I know you carry your love to play. I get kept down. I say what you do, I don't chase her. She won't give me something I don't take her. If you know the you be my paper.
Man on the mission. I see no competition, and I mind my business. God is my witness. They don't see my vision. I'm a local journey, mulo, 1 in a million. Waiting them talk say I do now.
good on you. You see your body carry something I never understand. I must confess, your body very offensive. It is scatter my defense, yo. I must confess, your body not my objective. It is giving me problems, yeah. My darling, would you fly with me?
trendybeats.com.
So hard, you know I don't want no stress. I no get time to impress. Got a girl with a lovely dress. Yeah. You know lose card or money's a coming first. This a one is a drinking fest. You go enter with your COVID test. Yeah. Too many girl them tonight. Say we a go tonight. Many girl them tonight. Yeah, make we give them tonight. Too many girl them tonight. Say we a go tonight. Many girl them tonight. Yeah, make we give them tonight. Kayamata no work again. You know what I mean. Say Kayamata no work again. You know what I mean. More peace. We clean and bossy, rocking you and classy. Shell the fucking party. Till I get naughty and nasty for me. And the joke on, girl, I feel at work on me. And the sunshine nice when you flat on me. And your face pretty like you rock money. And the unruly boss and the boss. Too many girl them tonight. So we a go tonight. Many girl them tonight. We a make we give them tonight. Too many girl them tonight. So we a go tonight.
You need me left without me. 'Cause way back then, we used to run down, turn up the whole town. I feel rough. Yeah, I think I have to do more to show you crazy love. Make sure you stand up. Am I okay? Yeah. See, Ghani and Brand, yeah. Oh, I will show you love. Can I take you?
I feel rough.
Yeah, I think I have to do more. Show you crazy love.
Hey.
Make sure you stand up.
What's it there? Mom pay here. Sikani and Brand, yeah. Right, so I don't know why I always feel so emotional listening to this song. Shall we bring the song back again? I don't know why, I just don't know why. I feel so emotional listening to this song. I think Kwame Eugene should be, you know, challenging. In fact, yes, he stayed to my Kwame Eugene than Groma. My feel rough. Do more.
Show you crazy love.
Crazy love.
Make sure you stand up.
A man pay here. Sikani a Brand, yo.
I will show you love.
Hey, can I take dinner? Oh, I bina. Can't show me. Me pay obia. Hey. Right, so this song goes to all the happiness, all the beautiful happiness. Yeah, we shall come on with that.
I go forget. Say I miss you, oh my dear. And your calls are not enough. How I wish you were around. Yeah, you know that I'm falling for you, lucky. Girl, I won't never.
Right, so 23 minutes after 11. My LPM's new now for your party. The what I say. That was what this song is on standby. Yeah, this song is on standby. So let's do our LPM's and turn at the end of it. Yeah, my party in Shashazo. Yes, since it's a Friday. And today might be the last Friday on air. And next Friday on. Okay. Me pentem krania coffee. Seva. Right, so don't forget, as you are having fun, Christmas is fast approaching as well. And I know you don't want to, so to fear now, you're not feeling the Christmas all because the journey in the fear. Joe or grand in Castle now in January. So if you really want to enjoy your Christmas, the best place, let me recommend to you the best place. In town, you can get all the good and affordable provisions. And from Pond Enterprise, the provisions are able for. You see, Christmas today, it's all about spending money, it's all about having fun and all of that. And she said, baby, now got inferior goods be a dear be enchana aspire shall fridge I got talk country you go to be now a shall fridge my be an say one call Hona a could to be where I was over ship. Go from Pond Enterprise, Christmassy, the beer hobby and a water form will be able to be after the beer hobby and so no Joe at in year a quality goose, aspiring day to be uncano. And this I walk off from Pond Enterprise. Sikaka Krebia, or the alcohol for 200 cities ago. With the fuck when I had here. Ubenya drinks are buffet, Ubenya biscuits are buffet, Ubenya wabafie, Ubenya 5x5 back wabafie. In fact, Ubenya Gianni, Aberfie, Ubenya Nyoma, a hot water bomb was on pa. Casimedi jollof rice, Ubenya more dead the amount. Castle per rice is still Ubenya dear death of the amount. Maybe I know big pomutu, obviously one in the morning they want to take some rice water being a day. Call from Pond Enterprise. Compare and more a day from Pond Enterprise. And also when it comes to cooking oils, from Pond Enterprise got you sorted because we sell the best of cooking oils. So there's here from Pond Enterprise now prepare biscuits, prepare drinks, prepare in fact provisions from Pond Enterprise. Now the track when watch Mandarina Hotel as and I'll be home from Pond Enterprise. Me pacho the shop for fraud so you be a new market. Listen, new market or not new market and you be a new shop. No endra me name kind of cover. Yeah, me need t-shirt. Yesterday my 7 t-shirt. We went there. Nah, Jai. We shall send a squad in the war on our reception. Senya, where first did it Alata monya about shred ya ma. Woma twadi the customers now is on from Pond Enterprise there. Papa no de nyam su at tin kwalado. Papa chop from Pond Enterprise your cosmetic shop on so Christmas we gare abebo spray. We gare abebo spray baga for back room no. Papa chop mo famu spray ni enjeje nyoma bi wusu bobi. That's here come from Pond Enterprise. Of course see ma Paris spray ni bi. Bobby, hey, I will see if you play money or boss in our shake the hair. Call from Pond Enterprise. Now, compare your Mario Papa, the part of 0244 897525 0206 953 0242 111236 from Pond Enterprise. Jumera. As you want the Popache. Now, my catch yourself level 360 pop and Christmas we yes when you day. Now, and Sunday na grab yourself forward Don Cool Ventures. Don Cool Ventures and I saw Drew level 360 pop. Insane na because insane boy for what I say. And say the bad on can level 360 power points wa. On to say ne boy be for. E the man will be biara obe chile will be having fun. At the Christmas way, baby e benya insane boy for. Don Cool Ventures me patrol. A wholesale and retail of club and goodies products, sales of soft and alcoholic beverages, distribute first for Casopra Cocaine 20, Black Rock tonic wine, dry gin, Don Cool Ventures, I'll be Biato, you track wine, I watch some Nabo Abumen Road, Solid Star Plaza, Bruns, and Asiwa, Patrol Frey 0545 486 990 0556 252 668. Don Cool Ventures. As a Christmas week, now, in fact, this December, I think last year December, and yet this December, the Joe, energy no share senior, activities be brave, Chroma the pan. Now, let me take you to Achima Subwa. You do a called Tulips M Hotel. Now, Tulips M Hotel say, I can't share what with you say, if you're a good singer, in fact, we a group. Now, with me, bottom of your pan, you can use live band, not just say. Tulips M Hotels, can't just come and rep your town. Come and rep your town. And the same word move to me. When it comes to music and on a live band, what I say? It's no live band performance for our Chrome Hammer. Monko fill forms, a free registration. Our Tulips M Hotel. You watch him a Subwa. Udru a Subwa was a Mobian show Tulips M Hotel. You bet you any this Christmas. What I say? A cost 29th December. The Genial Yadina, Yadi Redeem Live Band International. You know more energy you made the again. Registration here free. Now grouper, one more winning, and as the group with the best performance will get the opportunity to record a track, and also with some free radio promotion. And you know, we are going over to me at home. Yeah, with Tulips M Hotel. I watch you a Subwa. The Patrol Freyen. It was 0551 444 2202. 0551 442202. Now, by a part of this wonderful program, Air Basson. Mighty Power. Now, what you do there? Osiwa Poti. Mighty Power at it. Why would you do that? And so what we say, oh, Honam Shadam and Koye Bisa, oh, Honomas and Yomabi. What is a Mighty Power and Drono? A mamma, Moko, Fombebre, more carpenter for Mason for Mamma Jumadino, Mighty Power and Drono, the boy, my body now relax. What is it? We said, no piananke, who I be a mabino. Now, with the Ezekiel 37, no pen and Wakano, we said number bahon. What's the idea? Papa, Mighty Power and Drodibi, wherever you are, baby, I wish you be a mighty power. Why would say the now is power Ginep. Now, your skin ointment, it takes care of problems. I will read any amount reading somewhere. No, Mighty Power be to us in our person. You will cocoa draws who are Ebema, I will cocoa to a Johnny and says Sahonum and I said Taritali with Nimna. What dear, Yara Bonio, Pacho. It's my Bema Sissimu Yamre. It was a fine boy pound, a papa 2 seconds a pay. Now, on the Nimaya Kawo Jinawe, Pacho Coco Yadepa. To compare Mighty Power, Expo, the be now fame. Pretty, what is it? Emma, Coco to tuna. Why Raniaze, halfway wouldn't be a constipation. The Yama team would deep panosa, would deep carbohydrated Yanisa, not just the Yama team. Bassa, on your friend at 23. What's the other tweak? What's what a tweak there be? The Pacho. Compare you like the TV now, who you winning now? Who be a fine boy upon now, 6 packs. Be adding me. The Patrol, your Mighty Power and Drone and Yamobia on your fear do me. I for your bad time, your pill for more bad, but friend who for the Patrol man try be cry. O call pharmacy be a watching Madame Chrome, how be your Mighty Power and Drone be na at all. 0242 725009 now 0243 122 192 Mighty Power AC Ho Now next year you Cote d'Ivoire. Next year you Cote d'Ivoire. And I know because I open now. I can say Joshua anti French now. What French now? Massa. Me my catcher said. Later wa cry na me who said. Sana French ana mo try no. Na elective I be. Yeah, later cry. You say, hey. Sana your French teacher no. Papa no na I be no try. Because French people want me to me can. I mean, who said that? I saw my papa here. We are going to Cote d'Ivoire. Moi, I'm person me can French much remono. Me can say na ya then. So yesterday people were saying okay. The next year you Cote d'Ivoire, 13th January to 11th February. A campon travel. No one along on Cote d'Ivoire. And I'm a country. Go and search. Sameboa. Cote d'Ivoire, you Cote d'Ivoire. And no one along Cote d'Ivoire. Just say yeah, Cote d'Ivoire. We are going to Cote d'Ivoire. Oh, you think I am lying? Yeah, we are going to Cote d'Ivoire. I know my country. You want along Cote d'Ivoire? What's it? Oh, for real. No one along Cote d'Ivoire. Go and search some boy. Or go and call any French teacher. Open. I did French in the ages. French I had 3. Copycats and one. I now pop. It's a campon travel and tour. And yeah, they will call Cote d'Ivoire. That's the 13th January to 11th February. And yeah, they will call Joshua. On TikTok. Joshua call back, come out to taper, Sano the Abba. But Patrol Campon, some control say. Registration or a cost over. About ended 24th December. Quiet they will call on. Breakfast, a woman. Oh, yeah, say you can't feed in an accommodation. Joe, you sorted the data. You ever sounds what the one called most expensive place in Cote d'Ivoire. Oh, yeah, say you don't get to try Cote d'Ivoire, Crodemon baby. I did in your watch one sana. You real tournament, no AFCON, no. Not just say, yeah, you do for baby. After you say, my ticket, match be out with me. Match be able to make a you do on master open one in a room, up as I won't want now with them. 23,000 Ghana cedis, and now for 2 in a room, 15,000 Ghana cedis, a year for 4 craft for full. The patch of 0209 194507 and 0247 431602 0209 194507 0247 431602 Campon Travel and Tour. Yeah, La Côte d'Ivoire. No one along Côte d'Ivoire. And my country, no. Just say Côte d'Ivoire is Afrakoma Community Hospital is the best hospital located at Amasamai Stadium Road in the West Municipality. Alright, so we have well-trained doctors and nurses with the best midwives you can think of. Now, Afrakoma Community Hospital have OPD, lab, theater, labor ward, children ward, etc. And also, we are looking forward for the best. So if you are looking for the best health facility to deal with or illness, then Afrakoma Community Hospital should be your first choice. So they say, yeah, Juma 24/7, yeah, Juma Debia, your boom. And again, you're the best doctors. I'm over to me a chone frua. Will be a henia. I tell you, Mrs. I are be in your down. Yes, maybe I will be. Maybe in your that wouldn't send it in the Biawa. Why would me come a cough for Afrakoma Community Hospital? The woman too free. Oh, my baby, I'm a raw Roman so Cherenko. The part of free was 0597005936. 0597005936. Only Believe Senior High School. Only Believe Senior High School. Oya bofra watcho BC no school number and I pending and I do to ya one ninja ho Only Believe Senior High School sebra wo mo ko for dwa kokron tumi ha ya. Enti ubodru ho no manager say jo so pesa wo koy home economics, o pesa wo koy general science, o pesa wo ya agricultural science, o pesa wo general arts and I say visual arts. Oh yes, secondary and technical and also business courses via Only Believe Senior High School. Ever heard the man? Shannon son said last year, I'm afraid sure was you know, or much ye pa. Tia Jim of Flower Form 1 and Form 2, bra, Nabatro, Nature. Oh yes, Radio Trona Chow Collegoanza. The car time I had your Wasina girl be a Fanamanquano. I part getting their shadow on the Abano. What trust what J extra sheet is Sana one teacher be in one corner who's no girl no normally was that nimbooks yeah you didn't cry at all repent when I what trust Papa ne bang girl na just a push girl no what's it Papa no wanna miss you as a foolish girl what's a foolish girl man chawanka uchure chako legon Fabe Panabraha. Papa Choco Only Believe Senior High School. Na Quattro Chaco Legon. Oh, yes, yeah. Friend 0240202148 0247670739. Only Believe all things are possible. I got a few minutes now for the party that's a shuffle. It's the Jump Trading Enterprise. Mr. Manson said, bravo. Bravo. I don't know what we're talking about, Mama. No. It's a gospel song, be like that. It's a Jump Trading Enterprise, Zabra. Cement, Nadwa, iron rods, POP, plasterboards, fiber, marine boards, center panels, corner moldings, wall angles. They're quality though. And only the buyer swear or arches it. Yet turn their mobile. The near Bresse 2024 person will sit down and I'll person your project you know. That's a Brian Sintentas, you Konya. Now I am for pen to cratazo. Now for Yama would dream on Embra reality. The patch all your comedy junction and Yaji didn't share the move. Prayer was 0208 123 872 0244 566880. Now let's get to the dance floor. Party upon party. But in the meantime, Brooklyn is a bra. Christmas, you yes, I see. I know Friday to Sunday. And next week, Friday, dear. The money see what he can have from see a double Brooklyn, dear. You call Brooklyn. So, me boy. So, over that, what can I come back with you? Where's your shower? No, Brooklyn. All room 7 and room 11. This year 4 near G4 na mami. This year Shabu 7 and 11. On room 2. Over now they get Cocoa room 11. Not Tia those room 7. Now back on nothing popcorn run in general. Mecania 41 minutes after 11. Now let's have some party on radio. Next week Friday the DBC, right? Next week Friday though. And also they want here next Friday because don't motivational music, nothing. It's just party on radio. Because everybody, let's do some party here on 93.3 of Good Morning Work and Happiness. From the company Acosti DJ Shabo on the 1 and 2s. Let's go.
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
That's right, so some party here on 93.3 of FM, ladies and gentlemen, you are ready now. DJ Shabo on the 1 and 2s. We just warming you up. Aye, what's it there? Hey, hey. Shabo, bring the song back, bring the song back, bring the song back, bring the song back. Right, so music from Eugene Kwame Mafo. What's it there? Everybody now. Let me go now. Here we go now. 1 2 1 2 1 2 Bakumieno. Let's go. What's it there? Hey, you can park and go. 1 2 everybody now. That's true, that's right. Hey. Hey, hey. Hey, you can park and go. 1 3. What's it there? I don't go follow you again. I broken hearts no go. That's right. Don't be for here. Now so broken hearts no go back. My head no go knock me hard. Don't be for here. Hey, hey, hey. Right, so the truth of the matter is this December, the +1, the +4, the +3. They're gonna shake a few relationships. Yeah. That's the truth of the matter, ladies and gentlemen. And it's our boy and that's our girl, free 20th for the Joe. About 15th January, no problem. For the shower, yes, here. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Here we go now. Here we go now. Let's do some party right here. 93.3 of 5. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Compton Acosti. Let's go. One time, one time, one time. Woo!
They see me coming, they shout hallelujah.
That's right. Hey.
Overseas, they won't chop me like suya.
What's it here? Let's do this. Say what?
Like this breezy, easy. I'm on my wrist, they go, they freeze you. Them know they call me Mr. Money for no reason. I see they go, I'm a piano.
Hey.
We go show, we go let them know.
Hey.
Now we dey run to town and any show.
Hey.
Than any wolves.
Hey.
Man folks, put them on their toes.
Right, so one of the most popular songs in 2023. Here we go now, Mr. Drew Mopsy. What's it here? That's right. Hey, man, save you. What's it here? Hey, 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 hey. There we go. There we go. That's right. What's it there? Here we go now. 1 2 3. There we go. That's right. That's right. Hey, 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 hey. That's right, so ladies and gentlemen, we're still live here on 93.3 of the freestyle session of Ejuma. What I say from your Compton Acosti, my man DJ Shabo behind the 1 and 2s, and this is what we're about to do. What I say. Alright, so let me tell you this. So this Christmas, actually, this festive seasons, Baga for our town, and a few relationship is going to shake. Yeah, bro. From January to this month, December. On finding called KFC there. And but the burgers are going to be town for just like 20 days. Allow them, what do I say? Baby, waiting some. 1 2, ladies and gentlemen, let's do this together now. Are you ready now? Here we go now. 1 2. Here we go. 1 2. Okay. Hey, 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 hey. Are you dancing? Okay. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Here we go now. Hey, 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 hey.
If I ever hurt you, girl, I'm sorry.
That's right.
Oh, my baby, no go leave me for lose.
Say what?
My Annabella, say now only you dead on.
That's right.
But I know send carry my
One, let's do this together now. Baby, what is up? Oh, that's right. Here we go now. Hey, 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 hey.
Baby, make you no do cow. You take anything where you want. I be talk and do money too long. You get back to. I know say you dey feel me, so no good. They mess up. Girl, you dey reason me one kind. Any day pay me. Any day pay me. If not cash where you want, I go way below. Girl, if you ever for my hand, that thing go change me. You say it go change me. If I go ever love you, now baby. If I ever hurt you, girl, I'm sorry.
Say what? Everybody now. Let's do this together now. 1, 2, 3. Here we go now. Aye. That's right. Right, so what that Nicki Minaj Wednesday? Are you guys around now? Here we go now. Nicki Minaj, that's right. Hey, 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 hey.
She got my tea, give me a cocoa.
Here we go now.
Touching you, everybody crushing you, but I'm
1, 2, 3. Here we go. Hey, girl, your matter. I just
your matter. It's for my mind. Baby, give me something nice. Girl, your matter. Girl, I love your body. So nice and her skin so clean. She call it my love like a sweet sister. Over and over she can do my thing. Yeah. She's so in love with me. It's a blessing that I found a queen. And she doesn't care if I'm poor or rich. I give her my love to eternity. Oh no 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 no. Can I promise I will be there for you? Oh no no no. If you ever leave I go hunting for you. My queen. It's the first thing in the morning. For me. Baby never treat you. If you understand me or not, misunderstand me or not, me, I'm okay. I'm okay. And if you think I'm wrong or not, long as it's what I want, me, I'm okay. I'm okay. Cause who are you to judge me like say you be holy past? I did love my life, get my peace of mind, I did try survive. We all be sinners, my body, nobody holy past. And my happiness comes first, I never come life to stress, yeah. I be like, tell me later. I did deliver, I pass it doctor. I be like, tell me later. I did deliver, I pass it doctor. I be like, tell me later. I did deliver, I pass it doctor.
That's right, so 51 minutes after 11. 1, 2, 1, 2, ladies and gentlemen, let's do this together now. 1, 2. So I see some messages live on Facebook. Malai Coleman, Sam Pilar 2, Big Shouts, Harry Charles, Good Shouts, Amevo Kenneth, Evans Kweku Bonsu. Is that not my brother, Evans? Okay, and a couple of messages here. Let me check. Everybody now, let's do this together now. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Hey, so we pick up a part on your butre. Feeling your number on your butre. Let me check this side as well. This one says, Costy, you are the most baddest DJ ever. Not forgetting another one at Community FM, DJ Wani, the both baddest ever from Gabby Joe. Right, so big shouts to man like DJ Wani of Community FM, bro. Charlie, what's up, my brother? Here we go now. 1, 2, 1, 2. So, Udim, how the message they appear for here? I don't see them read them proper. But anyways, those of you on Facebook, those of you watching live on Facebook, I see you all. Big shouts and come on, out there. I said this is what we do on Fridays. It's just a party thing on radio. Myself and the baddest DJ Shabo. Our jingle is DJ Shabo. Well, that's right. So we have a few minutes though. Yeah. Some few minutes for us to just warm up and put you in the mood. In fact, the Christmas, the festive season, and also the weekend mood as well. This is what we do. This is why we get paid every last day of the month. Yeah. Sometimes. What do? Shoo! Let's do this together now. What should I come back to me? Hey, come back to me. Hey. That's right. Hey, come back to me. Kaka uchi usemi no aye bipe. Oh, school. That's right. Hey. That's right. Woo! This is what we call party on radio. Unyani baby, I just a kind of on the mid morning. Hey.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Unfortunate, we have about 4 minutes. 4 minutes to leave. Barcelona, official pa. Oh, Sheba. Official pa. So there's a message from Kwame Taylor. He says, 1st January 2024 happens to be his birthday. And what's my birthday? What you go do for me? Let smartphone be ready. Dr. Kwame Taylor. Kwame Taylor, you my birthday, what you do for me? Ching up self, you know buy for me. You want smartphone for me? Anyways, happy birthday in advance and come Kwame Taylor 1st January at the birthday. This one says, please try fix one funeral song in for a brother I lost yesterday. His name is Roger, a taxi driver. Kojo Tufo. By this time you want a funeral song. Hey, Kojo Tufo. But now we be the party like this way. We just spoil things and things. You want funeral song. Anyways. Sorry for your loss, bro. Sorry for your loss. Right. So here we are now. Hey. Miss Ahinkai, what's up? Fasha was on the ending come on. Christmas, you see there go. Christmas there go. What's up, Rafia na? What's up, Rafia? Catch us say we Yam break mo when I want him.
Onaweba.
Oh, my mini free. What's the name?
Onaweba.
Onaweba. Ah, okay. It's yeah, coffee no now do come by the abedi other word member. Okay. I see yeah. Man get here. I see yeah. Oh, I see yeah. Yeah, coffee no do come by how I see yeah. Yo. Mama Sani has something going now. Shabu from Bonnie Payu. Send away over Payu. Your friend, your Jenny, with champion coming up watching. Probably coming a Costi. A brand and part of perfect gentleman. Special out to one like DJ Shabu. Now I am trying to both for no song in the man who knew why. We are from a football talk about you, old crab, a Burma Gemma, Igra, with J. Toddy. One door. Bye bye.
Papa chilling bikini. Unibia you are so funny. Obeto so born no honey. This time boity. Or dinner more dainty. No busy. Economy. Fame. But today I want no day. Money day I want no day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Chilling one. Chillin' one, young go. Chillin' one, young go. Chillin' one. Baba mika, mi mwa namada. Come shake it, bu. I'm a piano here, kone zangu. Today be holiday, Friday night ballin'. Small boy mat to me chain. I got some baby. From boy mat to me chain.
93.3 Achimabo, the best in the east. 93.3 93.3